Hey guys, this is the finishing touch of my fruitcake. If you want to see how I get this done, watch until the end. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So here I have some eggs. I'm just going to remove the high from the eggs. Why I'm doing that, if you leave the high in the egg, the cake will be raw. Guys, I will leave everything in the description box that I'll be using. So now I'm going to add some lemon juice to cut the rawness from the egg. So I have my butter. Guys, you want to make sure your butter is at room temperature. Now I'm going to add my sugar in. So the best thing, guys, is to leave your butter out for overnight. So I'm just going to cream my sugar and butter nicely. So now I'm just wiping the sides of the bowl to get everything in. So that everything can mix nicely together. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so that the video can reach to a wider audience. Thank you, guys. My sugar and butter is coming nicely, guys. You want your sugar and butter to have that fluffy look. So now I'm going to add my eggs in. You don't want to add it all at once, guys. And mix properly. Now I'm gonna add my mixed fruits in. I will leave in the description box how I prepare my mixed fruits. So now I'm gonna add browning, and I'll leave everything in the description box, the amount that I'm using. So now I will be adding some molasses. So now I'm adding some almond essence. I'm also adding some vanilla to give it nice flavor. So now I'll be adding some alcohol, guys. You don't have to use it if you don't want. But for me, this is the master of the cake. So I'm adding some white rum, and you can use any white rum that you. I'm also adding some red label wine. You can use fruit wine if you don't have red label wine. So now I have my flour. I'm just going to add my spices to it. So this is my dry ingredients. I'm just going to mix everything in. So now guys, I'll be cut and folding my cake. So I'm just gonna add a little of my dry ingredients in. I did go ahead and grease my baking tin. I used butter to do so. So now I'm just giving my mixture a shake to make sure no air bubbles is underneath. And I'm making a 10-inch cake. So I'm going to bake this for an hour at 350 degrees. And you want to make sure you have a water bath in your oven so your cake don't dry out. So my cake is out of the oven. I'm going to test it to see if it's baked. So you can just get a knife and just use it to the sides like that. Or you can use a toothpick. So here I have my spray bottle with some red label wine and white rum. So I'm just going to spray that on the cake to get it moist. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.